And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $40 or more per hour drawing lines. Stick around. What's going on, Revenue Pros and all my money go-getters? Hey, Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. In today's video, we're going to give you a simple and quick way in which you can start making up to $40 per hour or more online. All right, but before we get into that, I want to say welcome to those of you joining the channel today, just checking us out for the first time. And we say welcome. We value your time and hope to deliver even more value to you. For those of you guys checking us out once again, welcome back. And anytime, if you have not done so already, definitely hit the red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it. That way you don't miss out when we drop new content. And hit the thumbs up as well. You know, let us know you like the video as well. But let's jump right on into the video and get started. Now, this method I'm going to show you guys on how you can make $40 or more per hour online was something I recently came across. Now, when I came across this opportunity, I started to think just how many more of maybe you all out there watching this might not be aware of this as well, just as I wasn't. Okay, now this is not much different than some of the things people are already doing out there, services that people are charging individuals to big time companies thousands of dollars of doing, right? It's along the same lines, but the difference is that I'm going to show you a tool in which you can utilize without any experience at all, no artistic background, online, offline, in the classroom, you know, on your job. It requires no kind of artistic background, okay? And you don't need any sort of online business type of experience, none of that, right? If you're somebody just right now hopping on the computer and you're looking for a way to make money online, this is definitely for you, okay? And like that, we are now on the computer. You can see very familiar website, Amazon.com. And there's a reason why I wanted to start here, guys, because I wanted you guys to first of all see something and understand something. So when you look at this, right, I went to Amazon.com. All I did was click on today's deals, right, and they show all of whatever today's deals are. You can see multiple products in all kind of different categories on Amazon: kitchenware, electronics, vitamins and supplements, clothing, pet products, and magazines, to ring doorbells, glasses, so on and so forth, okay? But there is one common thing about all these pictures, all right? And if you haven't noticed already, it's the background, guys. Notice the background? Probably not, because there is no background in any of them. That's the one thing that all these have in common, okay? That is because Amazon requires, they mandate that all their FBA sellers on their listings have no background, basically transparent backgrounds which appear to be white, okay? So it makes it really clean for Amazon, their platform, and it's great for the sellers as well, right? No distractions, the products pop, they look good, it looks clean, all right? So that is what I'm talking about when I talk about how you can make $40 or more per hour drawing lines. You're like, well, I see that everybody now needs transparent backgrounds on Amazon, but how am I going to do it? How am I going to make money? Great question. So next I'm going to show you clippingmagic.com. Now, Clipping Magic is like magic, guys, because check this out. I said earlier that there are people who, you know, charge for such a service, you know, a little bit of money to hundreds to even thousands, that companies will pay to have stuff like this done, depending on, you know, the quantity of photos they need taken care of and so on and so forth. All right, and so there's plenty of people out there who are performing these services, people who have invested time and money into programs and schooling to learn things like Photoshop and all the other platforms out there that can help you perform such a service, right? So they're going to charge a lot more, but you can now use Clipping Magic to do the work for you, okay, without investing a whole bunch of money or even next to no time doing this, okay? Check this out. On Clipping Magic, you have things like a photo with the background here. Then you have a green line, red line, and a transparent background. All right, so basically this is what I'm talking about. By drawing lines, you can make money online. You have the green line, which lets you know basically on Clipping Magic, any photo you upload, you use the green line, you draw a line over the whatever the image is in this picture that you want to keep. You use the red to draw around the picture, the image that you're going to keep. You draw a red line around the rest of the background, whatever you want to delete, and voila, it's gone, and you have a transparent background. All right, so I hope that you guys can see how easy this is. You don't have to have no artistic background whatsoever. You don't have to use things like Photoshop and other tools out there to do such thing. All you need is a simple website, Clipping Magic. All right, now Clipping Magic is a subscription-based website, but it is very, very minimal investment. But these are the three plans. You have the Lite, the Standard, the Pro, $3.99, $7.99, $14.99. I mean, come on, guys. Eat with these. You can see here it says 15 credits a month. Basically, every credit is the same as a download. So when you upload a photo that you're going to edit, once you edit it, you download the finished product. That is basically 1 credit. So with the $3.99 a month, the Lite, you'll get to do that 15 times. Okay. So when you charge a very little for this service, like I'm going to show you, you can still make so much money doing it. All right. And of course, I mean, you guys, most of you out there, if you're eating out even just once a day, you're spending 15 bucks. All right, if not more. Right. So you can easily say, hey, I'll just do the Pro, no problem. In this business, whether it's a side business or a full-on thing that you're trying to scale up, you can do that, and it's going to take care of itself. Now, we may be asking, well, Brian, okay, so I have the tool. I know that people on Amazon need it. I have the tool, how I'm going to perform this service, being Clipping Magic, but where do I get clientele from? And I'm going to show you right now, that would be Fiverr.com. Now, there are other platforms out there like Fiverr. I'm just using this one as an example, and because it is one of the most well-known freelance websites out there that exists today. But we also just released a video, if you have not checked it out already, a few days ago, the top 7 websites for freelancers in 2019. Leave a link in the description below. Definitely check that out. Fiverr is on that list though, and you know, Fiverr is great for both clients, people looking for services, and for the freelancers providing the services, guys. And that's what you are when you perform such a service like this, is a freelancer, right? You're contracting basically with people, with companies, and providing a service. All right, and you'll see here on Fiverr, I went to Fiverr.com, in their search I just typed in background removal, and these are the listings that popped up, right? People providing this service already. You'll see there's many people here doing this. Okay, the list goes on and on and on. It goes 10+ pages deep perhaps, but you'll see there's people all over this. And one thing I want you to realize is there's no shortage of work. You might be thinking, well, yeah, there may be a few people making all the money. Not true. Okay, the very top person only is a 5-star rating. They're rated 5-star, but they only have 3 reviews, right? But they're at the top of the page. This person 13, 96, 163. But then there's this person 699, this person 201, 394, 732, almost 1,000 here. All right, 109, 188. I mean, it goes on and on and on. You can see plenty of people making money by providing this simple service. All right, guys, I will do any kind of Photoshop, Photoshop editing, background removal. You know, I will remove background of photos. Plain and simple. This guy is not elaborating on anything fancy. Just, I will remove backgrounds. All right, so let's check this out. All right, so this gentleman, I will remove background of photos, professional service in Fiverr, 24-hour express delivery. You can see here, he has a photo, there's stuff on there. Here we have a photo, the same main object, and then the transparent background. Really simple. This guy isn't talking about doing anything special, just removing backgrounds. And here you can see 510 reviews, ratings, 5 stars. All right, I mean, this guy's crushing it, probably making a pretty good amount of money. As you can see, he's not offering anything special. He has a few different options that clients can choose from. Same thing I recommend you do, right? He starts with the basic, starting off at $5, 12 images at $5, 100% assured quality, focused on deadline, will provide JPEG, PNG as required. Okay, unlimited revisions, 1-day delivery. All right, same thing here, just scaling it a little bit, charging a little bit more, 20 bucks for 50 images. Premium is $40 for 100 images. All right, so you can set it, you can set your prices however you want, guys. You don't have to start at $5, even though I recommend you see what the other people who are successful at doing this already, what are they doing, model what they're doing. Okay, you may want to start off at $5 and, you know, for 10 images, for 15 images, right? And even if you did say, you know, I've seen people, this guy is doing 12 images on his basic, I've seen plenty of people doing 15 images with their basics for $5. All right, so even if you did 15 images and you charge $5, you can do, that means even if it took you 1 minute to edit one image, all right, that's 60 images in 1 hour, that's $20 for that hour. But here's the thing, you see how easy clipping magic is. I mean, it's literally that simple. Green, red, done, download. Guys, you can do this in 30 seconds. Some of you might even be able to do that in less time. So again, if you're doing 15 photos, but instead of 1 minute, it's taking you 30 seconds, you can make $40 per hour drawing lines, literally. All right, so I hope that you guys can easily see how simple this can be and how much money, what is possible by you doing this simple little service. All right, now you see we have Fiverr, we have people doing it, we have people being successful. You can simply sign up for Fiverr. It's absolutely free to sign up as a freelancer. I recommend creating a profile, you know, talk a little bit about yourself if you have any background and you've done things like Photoshop and other projects of that sort, list it on there. If not, you can be like this gentleman here. He's not talking about he's some Photoshop professional. He's you know, been doing this for the last 30 years or whatever it is. He just simply say, hey, I will remove background images from photos. That's it. And it looks to me like he's been probably pretty successful at a 5-star rating and with over 500 people rating him as such. All right, so you know, definitely get started, create that profile. You have your tool, Clipping Magic. You can start off at the $3.99, very minimal investment, and you're going to start making sales for your service. Now, if you want to take it a step further and you want to go and connect with people and create even more traffic to be able to scale your business, one thing I recommend doing is going on to Facebook, right? So I've gone on to Facebook here, and all I did was go into Facebook and the search, typed in FBA, Amazon FBA sellers. Again, we're targeting people, FBA seller, Amazon FBA sellers, okay? So within that, I went over to groups, and what pops up? Well, a whole bunch of FBA Amazon groups, okay? Right? You have Unstoppable FBA, 6,000+ members, Amazon sellers, 43,000 members. FBA Ninjas, my boy Kevin David, with over 105,000 FBA Amazon FBA members. Okay, the largest group on Facebook. Amazon FBA High Rollers with 62,000 members. Guys, the people are here who are looking for your service already. All you got to do is join the groups. Most of these groups are absolutely free to join. Go in there, connect with people, network with people, and just let them know, hey, I just got into the group. You know, I offer a service where I, you know, remove background images for FBA sellers on Amazon. You know, this is what I do, and you know, maybe you could offer them some kind of like promotion or discount or something like that. You know, depending on how often you guys work together, you can offer them an additional discount aside from probably what are already super inexpensive prices for such services. But, you know, just go on there and network, get to know people, right? Because these people need these services already. Okay, guys, that is it for today. You know, I hope you see the potential. I hope you like this strategy, all right? To be able to make $40 per hour, no experience, simply drawing lines and providing a service that people are already looking for. Hundreds of thousands of people are already looking for. But that's going to do it for today's video. If you like the video, if you've gotten value, let us know by hitting that thumbs up. And also, you know, if you have not already done so, again, hit the red subscribe button and the bell notification next to it so that you don't miss when we drop new content. All right. And also, if you're doing this already or you're interested in doing this, let us know below that you're ready to get started. You're going to get started. You're going to start making money today. All right. And with that said, until next time, this is Brian, Revenue Pro Tips.